Hyderabad has experienced the worst rains. And the water has entered the houses around this area. The people are struggling without food and drinking water.
We are already in the great crisis-like a situation in this COVID-19 pandemic. Suddenly, the floods in Hyderabad have come like a bolt from the blue. This has become a crisis within the crisis for the people, especially those living in low-lying areas. The recent non-stop rains have played havoc in most of the areas, flooding the streets and the lanes. The flood waters have suddenly entered the houses, creating panic among the people. The household things are gone floating all around. The vehicles are found floating on the water and carried away in the current. The people are stranded in their own houses without any help. So the immediate response would be rescuing those affected ones.
The slum area, which is all in water. The people are struggling without food and drinking water. So that's why we came forward to help them with bread as well as drinking water bottles.
We have plugged into action, rescuing the people and supplying the things needed immediately for their survival. Later, we have plans to supply the relief materials such as rice and groceries.